Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Instinct 2X Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. Before we start, you can pair this watch with an iPhone in two ways. The first way is to do it through the setup process of the watch, so basically if the watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings. And the second way is to do it through the settings after the watch has been already set up, because you can basically set up your watch without pairing it to a phone. First I'm gonna show you how to do it through the setup process, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the settings. Now let's continue and let's turn on our watch. To do it, press and hold the control button. Once you see the Garmin logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. And once the watch turns on, and it's brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, you will see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by using the up and down buttons, select the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you select it, press the GPS button. And as you can see now, we're being asked if we want to pair our watch with a phone. We want to do that, so let's press the GPS button, and the watch will enter the pairing mode. Now we need to go to our iPhone we want to pair our watch with, open the App Store on that iPhone. I forgot to mention, also check if you have internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store, tap on search, then tap on the search bar and type in Garmin Connect. And then tap on search. And you should see this application on the list, Garmin Connect, with this icon. Tap on it to select it, then tap on the get button to download and install it. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. In the application you will see this page. Basically we need to log in into a Garmin account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on the create account button right here to make a new one. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap on sign in, check the box, tap on next, and enter the email address and password. So give me a couple of seconds. Okay, once you're done, tap on next to log in. And after you log in, you may see pop-up about the permission for the notifications. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. If you want to, tap on allow to allow the permission. If you don't care, you can deny it and keep it disabled. I'm gonna allow it, and as you can see, the app detected our watch automatically. If it doesn't for you, for example, you can press the back button and then press GPS button to re-enter the pairing mode, and the app should detect the watch automatically. And after it does, tap on connected, tap on pair, allow or deny the permission for the notifications. Okay, and on this page tap on next. Here we can set up bedtime. Basically, this is useful if you want to use the do not disturb mode during sleep. So basically turn off or mute all of the notifications during sleep, so you won't be disturbed during the sleep by the notifications. And if you want to set it up, simply set the bedtime and wake time. So you can tap on the square right here or the box, adjust the bedtime by swiping up and down on the screen on the hours and minutes. Then you can adjust the wake time the same way, and once you're done, you can tap on next, and you can tap on yes if you want to turn on the do not disturb mode during sleep, and no if you want to keep it disabled. Next we have the goals, basically step goals, elevation, water intake and stuff like that. If you want to edit the goals, tap on edit goals. If you want to keep them default, tap on keep default goals. I'm gonna tap on edit, and here we can adjust the values. We can select the steps to auto or custom, and then we can adjust the custom one if you want to. You can also adjust the floors climbed per day, fluid consumption, and intensity minutes per week. And once you're done adjusting, tap on next. Here we can allow the permission for the location. This is useful if you want to track your activities like running, cycling and stuff like that on the map, for example. If you don't care, you can tap on skip and keep it disabled. If you want to allow it, tap on allow location permission, tap on allow while using the app, then tap on sync. Let's try again, something went wrong. Okay, so it doesn't want to sync with the phone for now, for some reason, so we're just gonna tap on skip sync, tap on OK. This is a tutorial how to use our watch. I'm just gonna tap on skip, dismiss, and you should see the My Day page of the app. Now you can tap on more, scroll down, tap on Garmin devices, and you should see your Instinct 2X Solar right here. Okay, so that's how you pair through the setup process. Now I'm gonna disconnect the watch from our iPhone, and we're gonna pair it through the settings. So remove, settings, wrong settings, let's go to Bluetooth, info, forget this device. Okay, close the app, and the watch is disconnected. Now to enter the pairing mode on the watch through the settings on the watch, you need to press and hold the menu button to open the menu, then scroll through the menu by pressing the down button, and keep scrolling until you find the phone option. Once you find it and select it, press the GPS button, then scroll down by pressing the down button, find the pair phone, select it and press GPS, and the watch will enter pairing mode. Now you can download and install the app or open the app. We're gonna open it because we already installed it. And once you open the app and you installed it for the first time, you will need to log in, and basically after you log in, the app will automatically search for the nearby devices. But if you already have the app installed and you're logged in, you will need to tap on the plus button right here, or more, Garmin devices, and add device. And the app will start looking for the nearby devices. It should detect our watch. Once it does, tap on connected, pair, and the same steps as we did before. So allow or deny the permission. Then next, bedtime, goals, and desync now. This time it worked for some reason. This is super weird, but okay. Tap on finish, go through the tutorial or skip it. No thanks, got it. And we have our watch right here. And if you tap on more, Garmin devices, oh my bad, Garmin devices, it's right here in the app. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.